नमस्कार, मैं अंगद सिंह राजपूत। मैं क्लास 8 का स्टूडेंट हूँ और मैं अभी एग्रीकल्चर बॉयज स्कूल में पढ़ता हूँ। आज हम लोग मिले हैं बीकॉम सेम 5 डेरिवेटिव्स के लेक्चर 2 के लिए। कल मैंने आपको बेसिक्स बताए थे, आज मैं थोड़े एडवांस इसके बताने वाला हूँ। तो आज का हमारा टॉपिक रहेगा चेन रूल। अब ये चेन रूल क्या होता है? चेन रूल इसको आप एक प्रॉपर्टी जैसा समझ लीजिए, डेरिवेटिव्स का एक प्रॉपर्टी जैसा समझ लीजिए कि मान लीजिए आपके पास कोई एक ऐसा टर्म है जिसको आप डेरिवेटिव नहीं कर सकते, तो आप चेन रूल का यूज करते हैं इस जगह पे। अब आप लोग एक एग्जांपल मांग रहे होंगे, जैसे एक एग्जांपल, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद एन एग्जांपल। लेट्स से y इक्वल्स e टू द पावर 10x, y इक्वल्स e टू द पावर 10x। ठीक है, आपके पास इसका कोई फॉर्मूला? Do you have any formula for solving this sum? No, obviously not. As we did yesterday, there was no formula like this. So how to do this? Like this sum can be solved by this property, which is called chain rule. In here, we need to let the undifferentiable term as k or any other variable. So let's see. Here, if I let this as a whole as k, will it work? Nah, I don't think so. But if I let just this thing as k, then it might work. So let's see. dy by dx is equals to d by dx e to the power 10x. Okay, so again dy by dx is equals to let 10 to the power x equals to k. Okay, so then we will write here d by dk into d by dx 10 to the power x. Notice this, how it changed from x to k. So this gives us the perfect opportunity to introduce to you the with respect to term. Now, what is this with respect to term? It is like here you are working with the variable k, so you will derivate it in respect with k, and like here as you were working with the variable x, so you will take it with respect to x. This thing is very important while solving differentiation sums and integration sums. Like not as much important in integration, we'll talk about it later. So whenever you are like whenever you are handling or working with any other variable like this k, you will have to change this respect by the respect you solve the sum. So divide now. Here e to the power k, as we studied in the last lecture, it is e to the power k itself. So d by dx e to the power k. Now here it is in the form 10 a to the power x, so it will be 10 to the power x log 10 as we studied in the last lecture. Now you cannot just leave it like this, you will have to put the original value of k. So original value of k is 10 to the power x, 10 to the power x, so it will be e to the power 10 to the power x into 10 to the power x log 10. So this is your answer. This was chain rule. Let me tell you again, it is used when like you have a term which is not differentiable by the normal equations, by the normal formula. So let's practice some questions of this, then we will move on to some new things. And I'm telling you that I am using Chaya Publications Advanced Business Mathematics books. It is the book. If you have it, you can check it. We are doing page number 61, exercise 4b, question number 2, support 1. Example question. So let's do it. The question says y equals to 5 to the power 3x square minus 4x plus 2. The question says this 5 to the power 3x square minus 4x plus 2. So now here we have to differentiate it. We don't have a formula like this, like it has a quadratic equation. So let's say I let this as k. So let this be k. So dy by dx is equals to d by dk. Again notice the change of respect, 5 to the power k into d by dx, 3x square minus 4x plus 2. Okay, so now dy by dx, it is in the form a to the power x, so it will be 5 to the power k log 5 into, now this, it is x square, so it will be 2x, so 3 into 2 6x, and it is x, it will be 1, so minus 4, and as it is a constant it will be 0. So dy by dx is equals to, now let's put the original value of k, it will be 5 to the power 3x square minus 4x plus 2 into log 5 into 6x minus 4. You can simplify it further by taking 2x common, but I will not go that deep. So this was the first question. I hope you understood it. If you found it interesting, then please like this video and subscribe our channel and share it to as many people as possible so that we can give more and more informative content to you. So now let's head on to our new topic, this which is double letting. Now what is double letting? Double letting is like in which you need to let two terms. Like first you need to let k, and then again you will need to let one more variable. So now it is a special case. We will understand it with an example. Let's say log x. Again, this question is from the each high publications advanced business mathematics books. It is on the same page number 61, question number 3, suppart 1. So this is the question. Now here most of you would have seen log x, then again log, then again log. Most of you would have said, let's say log x equals k. Okay, no doubt, it is correct, is equals to d by dx, sorry, k. Again notice the change of respect, as we were first writing x, but now as there is k in the variable side, we will write it as d by dk. So log, again log k into d by dx log x. Okay, now most of you see this, we don't have any formula like this, log k, we don't have any formula like this again. So what to do? You must be wondering. In here you will have to let this thing also, yeah, this is our double letting, or you may say double chain rule. dy by dx is equals to, let's say I let log k be m, let's say, so d by dm log m into d by dk log k into d by dx log x. Now can this be solved? Yes, it is log m with respect to m, log k with respect to k, log x with respect to x. We can like easily solve it. dy by dx, it will be 1 by m into 1 by k into 1 by x. I'm sorry, dy by dx. Now let's put the original values. Here k is log x and m is log k. So it means m is log k, which means we can say like m is equals to log x. As k's value is log x, so we can say like log x. Then log x into 1 by log x into 1 by x. So now this is the answer. If you have the book, it's high publication, it's Business Advanced Mathematics for Calcutta University CDCS, you can check this question again. So now I think you understood. I think if you're finding it interesting, if you are still here, then it means you're finding it interesting. If you're finding it interesting, please like this video, please share this video as much as possible so that we can increase our reach and help many people with all these kinds of informations. So now let me introduce you to a new topic. Like let's say we have a question like y equals to e to the power x to the power 9. Okay, again this question has been taken from Chai Publications book, page number 61, and the question 4, subpart A. So now, most of you would be wondering, like, let's take x to the power 9 as k, then do it like that. So I do not disagree with that. It is also a way, but today I'm going to teach you a new method of doing that. So now, what's the new method? Applying log. Oh, sorry, applying log. In here, we apply log on both sides. So it will be log y is equals to log e to the power x to the power 9. Okay, so now, then we need to derivate them. D by dx log y. You might be wondering, why didn't I write dy here? There's a reason. Like, in these types of sum, you will have to derivate with respect on the variable on the right hand side. Like here x is used, so you will have to derivate with respect to x on the left hand side also. Okay, so d by dx log e to the power x to the power 9. So what's the catch here? What's the catch? Here it will be dy by dx into 1 by y. So now let me introduce to you this concept. If you are like derivating with like different respect, like there was y variable but you are differentiating with x, then you will have to write dy by dx. In case there was t, then we will write dt by dx. So this is the catch here. See, I explained to you the topic by the solving sum. So now in this here, as we know that like if like this is log x to the power 9, then we can write it as 9 log x. Yes, we can write it like that. So we will again write down as x to the power 9 log e. Okay, understandable? I hope you understand. So here log e. So now log e in here, the value of log e will be 1 in here. So let's say we just disregard it, it vanished. Dy by dx into 1 by y is equals to x to the power 9. It is x to the power n. X to the power n's formula will be used. It will be 9 x to the power 8. Okay, so far so good. But you would be wondering, like, so what to do of this extra y? What to do of this extra y? Good question. I'm writing it here. We will write it as dy by dx is equals to 9 x to the power 9 into y. You need to transfer this y from here to here. Now, as we know that y equals to e to the power x to the power 9, then we will write y's value right here. Is equals to 9 x to the power 9 x. Why did I write 9 here? I'm sorry. 9x to the power 8, then e to the power x to the power 9. E to the power x to the power 9. This is your answer. I hope you guys understood it. dy by dx 9x8 into e to the power x to the power 9. Okay. So now I would request you guys to take a quick screenshot of this. I hope you took it. I hope. Okay. So let's do a question regarding this. Let's do one question for 6.1. Chai Publications book, page number 61, question number 6.1. Let me erase this. So the question says x square by a square plus y square by b square equals to 1. Okay. Now here we have to find dy by dx. Here we have to find dy by dx. Now what to do? This type of sums are very easy though, and actually these are new concepts. So like I've told you, like 4 concepts. It's the 4th concept of this video. In this type of questions, you need to first derivate both the sides. Let's say you derivate with respect to x. So x square by a square plus d by dx y square by a square b square right, is equals to d by dx 1. So far so good? So far so good? Nice. Let's start derivating it. So now here a square and b squares are constant terms. Do this. A square and b square are constant terms. In a question like this regarding x and y, every term is a constant unless stated. So here, like it is not stated that a and b are separate variables, so we will take them as constants. So it will be like a square d by dx x square. So it will be 2x plus d by dx so y square. So 1 by b square 2y, and we will write dy by dx as it was. So I hope you have understood till here. Then here it will be 0 as this was till here it is understandable. Now it will be 2 NATO. Let's do it like this. Let's keep these terms here only on the left hand side, and let's send these terms there. So it will be 2y by b square dy by dx is equals to negative 2x by a square. Okay, understandable? Let's write it right here. So then again it will be dy by dx is equals to negative 2x by a square into b square by 2y. So now 2 gets cancelled. Dy by dx is equals to negative xb square by ya square. Understand it? I hope you understood. If you found this video interesting, please like this video and share it as much as possible, and please subscribe our channel so that we can bring more informative content to you. And oh yeah, this is the right time to promote our batch. We are dropping it on Saturday. If you live around Havra in Belumat or Calcutta, you can contact us through the video comments or through Instagram, and the batch fees is just 1 rupees. You heard it right, just 1 rupees. But there's a catch. The catch is there's just limited intake. So be fast and apply as fast as you can. So let's end this video today right here, and I will see you in the next video with more informative content and with more enthusiasm. So bye bye. Namaste.